Have you ever wondered why some people seem to accumulate wealth effortlessly while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? The answer, my friends, lies not in the size of their income, but in their mindset and financial education. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a groundbreaking book by Robert Kiyosaki, provides us with an enlightening perspective on this matter. The author grew up with two father figures. His biological father, a well-educated man with a stable job but always struggling financially, and his best friend's father, a man of modest education but with a wealth of financial wisdom. The latter, the rich dad, imparted 6 profound lessons that changed Kiyosaki's life forever. The first lesson is a paradigm shift. The rich do not work for money, they make money work for them. They invest in income-generating assets, turning the tables on money, making it their servant rather than their master. Secondly, the rich dad emphasized the importance of financial literacy. Understanding how money works, the difference between assets and liabilities, and how to balance them is crucial in wealth creation. It's not just about making money, but also knowing how to manage it. The third lesson is about minding your own business. Financial security isn't about having a well-paying job, it's about building your own ventures, your own assets that can provide a steady stream of passive income. Then comes the history of taxes and the power of corporations. Taxes, initially designed to target the rich, ironically, affect the poor and the middle class more. Corporations, on the other hand, offer a legal shield for the rich to protect their assets and pay less taxes. The fifth lesson reveals that the rich invent money. They harness their creativity and financial intelligence to create opportunities and solutions that generate wealth. They don't let fear or doubt hinder them from taking calculated risks. Lastly, the rich dad taught Kiyosaki to work to learn, not to work for money. The rich prioritize acquiring skills and knowledge that can help them grow their wealth and their network over merely earning. Rich Dad, Poor Dad also uncovers the obstacles that often prevent people from becoming wealthy: fear, cynicism, laziness, bad habits, and arrogance. But fear not, the book provides practical steps to overcome these hurdles and unlock your financial genius. In a nutshell, Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a beacon of financial wisdom that has guided millions of people worldwide to alter their mindset and take the reins of their financial destiny. It's not just a book, but a financial revolution, a call to arms to break free from financial ignorance and step into a world where wealth is not just a dream, but a reality.